Hey guys, it is Charlotte and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are doing the weekly check-in for January. Now this is the first time that I'm going to be using my new Erin Condren planner. So if you have not seen that video of me unboxing, go ahead and check that out. But I did miss one of the check-ins, so we are going to be running from the 9th through the 15th. Now, before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below. Let me know if you are loving these check-ins. I absolutely love doing weekly check-ins because I love knowing where all my money is. And then at the end of the week, I'll be like, oh my God, why did I spend all that money? But it is a good tracker for me, so make sure you are tracking your expenses too, because it will be easier in the long run for you guys. All right, so if you want to order the Erin Condren, it is the 7.9 planner. The link will be down below also. So yeah, let's get on into it. So starting off on the 9th, I had a no spend day. So I didn't do anything because it was the week before we left for Tennessee, which Tennessee was amazing, you guys. Absolutely loved it. I wanted to go back. We stayed in Pigeon Forge. And then we traveled around Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg, and then we went to Chattanooga also. So, not like breaking down every single thing that I did. I had $350 from my vacation. So, because I did have $250, but Jared gave me $100 for my birthday. So, from the 10th through the 13th, I spent all $350, you guys. So, I'm going to zoom y'all in just a little bit so y'all can see. All right, so we are going to say Tennessee, and we're going to do $350. And we're just going to overlap Friday and Saturday. All right. And then the same thing goes for right here. We're just going to say Tennessee. Now, if you notice that I'm kind of soft-spoken right now, is because I have a really bad migraine, but I really wanted to get this video up. I wanted to film it so I won't miss another check-in. But yeah, so that is what I did. Now, moving on to the 14th, which was my birthday. I turned 28 years old, and it was a really nice birthday. I hung out with my friends and family, and that was just really special. It's always special. They always make my birthday special, actually. But first, we did go grocery shopping. And Jared, I did not want anything for my birthday because I really couldn't think of anything. So I ended up getting a food scale because I wanted to, trying to lose weight and everything for wedding and all that stuff. So I told Jared that I wanted a food scale. So that was like $15, but I didn't spend it. So that is my gift. And then I wanted $20 in gas. So he filled me up and everything. So that is what he bought me. So for groceries, we spent $30. I did not make a video on it because it was so late. And those videos usually come up on Monday, but we went grocery shopping on Tuesday. Now on dentist, which is my medical, so that is a sinking fund that we use. I went to the dentist, and I haven't been to a dentist in like forever. I have really good insurance. So my copay was actually only $12, but they recommend me getting this kind of toothpaste so I can remove, I have some cavities, so it will like reduce cavities and everything. So I just went ahead and bought that. It was $20. It was a really big tube too. So for dentist, I spent $32. All right, moving on to the 15th. I actually spent nothing because I'm pretty much broke. So that is what I spent. So let me just zoom you guys out real quick, and I will show you. So on the 9th, I had no spend, and then on the 10th through the 13th, we went to Tennessee, and I spent $350. And then for the 14th on my birthday. For groceries, it was $30, and the dentist was $32. And then on the 15th, I had a no spend. Now we're going to move along to our weekly check-in. Now, if you can see that I have a new... Oops. I'm trying to zoom y'all in and everything. So, have you noticed that I have a new kit that I got? And that is actually from Romina Rasa. There's her right now. She does have a YouTube and Instagram and an Etsy shop. So y'all go ahead and find her and go order her some stuff. This is actually the first time I've ordered something from her, and I really liked her pattern. But we shall see. Alright, so week 1, technically for me, it's technically week 2. That's run from the 9th through the 15th. So groceries, I had $80. I only put $80 in my grocery envelope, so I only spent $30. So I should have $50 left. Gas, I put $60, so I should have $60 still. Fun money, I didn't put anything, so I have $0. Out to eat, I didn't put anything, so I have $0. Cushion, I put $100. Now, I actually did forget to write down, we'll go back, but I spent $63. So we will have to go back and I'll show you what I spent. 100 minus 63 equals $37 left. And then on my sinking funds, we spent $350 plus $32. So that was $382 is how much I spent. Now, let's flip back over real quick to the Tennessee trip. Now, we did have a cushion that we used. I gotta remember what color cushion that was. So I think cushion was this one, maybe? I don't have my little cheat sheet on me, but we're just going to do that. So this was a dinner and a show that we did, and that was $63. You guys, it was so expensive for dinner and a show. We went to the Hatfields and McCoy dinner feud, and that was like hilarious. Absolutely loved it. It was super fun, and we got to eat pretty much southern food, like chicken, corn on the cob, mashed potatoes, all that stuff, and it was super good, and that was $63. All right, flipping you back over one more time, you guys. So that is where we got the cushion. So we spent $63, so we only have $37 left, and then our sinking funds is $382, and I'm not sure how much my sinking funds is because I did not do a video last week of me stuffing it or anything like that. So we're just going to leave it blank for right now. Alright, you guys, so that is it. I hope y'all enjoy these videos. I'm so sorry that I'm not like all bubbly and everything right now. My head is killing me right now. I've already taken my prescriptions for it because I have really bad migraine, so I'm on 500 milligrams of naproxen. And I can't find my other medicine that I'm subscribed to that if it gets worse then I can take, but I don't know where it's at, so I have to find that. But anyways, yeah, so I will see you guys later. Hopefully y'all are loving these weekly check-ins. Hopefully y'all are loving my channel in general. And let me know if y'all do weekly check-ins because I will go and support you guys. And yeah, so I hope y'all are having a blessed week, a blessed month. It is 2020, so I hope all the things that y'all are accomplishing are starting to roll in. But anyways, I will see you guys later. Bye.